Because of its vast surface area, there may be a possibility that many life forms are yet to be discovered. This ocean seems to be promising all the favorable conditions to the life it has harbored. But this is not the case every time. To assert themselves, everyone is equipped with all kinds of tricks to survive. You'll be surprised to know that the largest animals of the ocean consume tons of phytoplankton each day to keep themselves alive. These phytoplanktons form the base of every food chain the ocean has. Other organisms that make up the biodiversity of the oceans are large fishes such as swordfish and sharks. Small fishes such as stonefish, remoras, reptiles such as turtles, mammals such as dolphins, and invertebrates such as sponges, corals, jellyfish, sea fans, crabs, and octopuses. The ocean contains approximately 230,000 identified species. Some 2 million marine species. How did that stone move? That is not a stone. It is a live creature resembling a stone. It is called stonefish to be more precise. It camouflages itself by taking the appearance of a rock or coral and blending in with them, sitting close to them at the bottom of the ocean. It is the most venomous fish known to the world. People, while swimming in the open oceans, often mistake it to be just another pebble and step on it. The pressure applied by one's foot causes it to release a neurotoxic substance from its gland. This toxin is very powerful and causes unbearable pain and paralysis, which, if neglected, can lead to the death of the individual. Despite their venomous spines, these fish are still edible if prepared properly. Amazing, isn't it? What happened to this fish? Suddenly, why did this fish swim so fast as if